Hello family, welcome to Miss Basket Designs once again. Missing you all. Okay, in today's episode we are going to learn about how to create or customize materials in Revit. So stay tuned. Please show love by subscribing and hit the bell for more videos like this every day. Okay, let's get it start. Okay, straight away, open the ribbon file, click Manage tab in the browser. Select Material, again check Material Libraries where you could create and duplicate. Click on the Material Editor panel and rename the material to suit its purpose, then make amendments to the asset material properties via to the material. Good, now come to the Assets browser, double-click on Appearance. Search for your preferred material. Once again, double-click on the material to edit it. Now, adjust the brightness to your preferred choice. Again, scroll down and scale both height and width of the material. Please subscribe and like the page, it's very important to us. YHA. Hit OK, then follow by Apply. Furthermore, select Modify in the ribbon file. Search for the material name, then apply it onto your project where necessary. Okay family, this is how to create a new material in Revit. Gladly, this is where we will end today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet again, adios.